Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for class 7th, chapter 1 integers, and in this video we are going to learn exercise 1.3 first bit. So let us go to the topic, subtraction on a number line. Okay, so this is similar to addition on a number line. I'll tell you again, addition, subtraction. Please follow the link given in the description for addition on a number line. Okay, so addition means when I am adding 3 to 2, you will get 5. Means its value is increasing. From 2 to 5 means it is increasing its value, right? And here when I subtract 2 from 3, you will get 1. Means from 3 to 1 it is decreasing its value. Subtraction means it decreases its value. Addition means it increases its value. So when you see in a number line, you'll have here positive numbers, here you'll have negative numbers. Okay, whenever the value is increasing means whenever you are adding, it will be on the right side. Okay, from 2 to 3 means, sorry, from 2 to 5 means we are going right side, right? Okay, when you go for subtraction from 3 to 2, from 3 to, suppose here 3 I am taking, from 3 to 2 means you are going to the left side. Okay, so addition means right side and subtraction means left side. Okay, clear. Now here for indication on the number line, for addition, please indicate on the top of the number line. For subtraction, indicate bottom on the bottom of the number line so that you will not be confused. Okay, so I will give you again here addition, subtraction. For addition, right side and top. Okay, remember any one thing, it will be the other one will be opposite to that. Okay, subtraction, right opposite is left, top opposite is bottom. Okay, so when you are adding, the indication should be right side and indicate on the top of the number line. For subtraction, indicate on the left side of the number line and bottom. Okay, this is how you'll understand when you go for the problems. Okay, let us go for the first point. For minus sign, go to the left side on the number line. Why left side? Because we are decreasing the whenever you are doing minus, its value is decreasing, right? Whenever it is decreasing, it goes to the left side. Means why? Because the values, less values will be left side, left values will be left side. Okay, next point is start from 0 always. So suppose I want to indicate this 3 minus 2 on a number line. So here you'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, here minus 1, minus 2. Okay, suppose now if I want to indicate this on the number line, first whatever number is there, that number should be indicated from 0 always, whether it is a positive number or negative number. Suppose here I have taken minus 3 means you should start from 0 only, 0 to minus 3. Clear? So next you should according to the problem, if it is minus you should go on the left side, if it is plus go on to the right side. Okay, but whatever there the starting, you should start from 0 always. Okay, this is what the meaning of this second point. Next, for subtraction, draw the indication on the bottom of the number line. Just now we discussed for addition you should indicate on the top. Okay, for subtraction you should indicate bottom. Okay, so that you will not be confused. Addition right side, subtraction left side. Okay, so next is if any plus sign in between, means suppose here I have minus, suppose my question is minus 3 plus 5. Okay, again minus 1. Okay, here plus means you should indicate top and right side, minus means you should indicate bottom and left side. Clear? So if any plus sign in between, you should indicate right side. Okay, so subtraction left side and down. Okay, this is what you should remember so that you will not be confused. Okay, go to the left side and start from 0 always and indicate bottom. Clear? So let us go to the next slide. So here is your first question. Represent the following subtraction on the number line. Okay, so do the subtraction on the number line. The first question is 7 minus 2. Okay, before doing this on the number line, let us write something in the rough part. Okay, so here it is minus. Just now we discussed minus means will go on the left side of the number line and it should be indicated down. Okay, and you solve this problem in the rough part. Okay, so it will be shown like this, left side down, and 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so that we can verify this answer with our number line answer. Okay, now we'll draw a number line. First, whatever number is there, that should be indicated from 0 always. So from 0 to here it is plus 7. So plus 7 means positive side. Plus 7, so plus means positive side and right side. Okay, so 0 to 7 top. Next, so 7 steps. Next is minus. Minus means left side. How many steps here? If it is 2, you should not take it to 2. You should take 2 steps. Means from it here it is stopping. So start from here now. So 1, 2. So 2 steps. So it will be 5. So here it is minus 2. So indicate this one minus 2 steps we are doing. So it is stopping at 5. So this answer should be tallied with this one. Okay, so wherever you are stopping, always start from 0 and start from where you end the previous step. Okay, start from 0, the first number, and wherever you stopped, from there you should start again. Okay, and start to how many steps are there here? 2 is there, so 2 steps you should take. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. So here is your next problem. 8 minus of minus 7. Minus of minus. What is minus of minus? It is plus. Okay, when two same symbols are multiplied, you will get plus. Okay, so our procedure for before doing this problem on the number line is to do first in the rough part, right? So first here minus of minus is plus. So plus is right side and top. Okay, even though here the symbols are minus and minus, minus of minus means plus, plus means will go to the right side on the number line and will indicate on the top of the number line. Okay, and we'll do this problem in the rough side. 8 minus of minus 7, so minus of minus 7 is plus 7, so 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, so we'll show in the on the number line. So this is your number line. So first it is 8. So whatever first number is there, we should indicate from 0 always. Okay, so from 0 to 8. So from 0 to 8, and I wrote here 8 steps. Next, minus of minus is plus. So as plus is right side means we should go right and top. So we should indicate till here 7 steps, right? 7 steps means count 7 from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 steps. So till 15. Okay, so 7 steps. So here whatever indication is there after 8, that you should write here. Okay, minus of minus 7. Simple. First 8 from 0 to 8. Next minus of minus 7 is plus 7. So plus 7, 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15. So here whatever left over after first number, that you should write here. Clear? So here the indication of symbols, whether to go to the right side or left side, it is very important. Okay, so let us go to the next problem now. So this is your next problem. 3 minus 7. So as it is minus, we should go left side and down. Okay, so first we'll do the rough part, left side down, and we'll solve this problem. 3 minus 7 is minus 4 because big number symbol is minus, so you should give the answer in minus. Okay, so let us see this on the number line. This is your number line. So we discussed already that whatever first number is there, we should start from 0 to that number. Okay, so from 0 to 3. Next, here minus is there. Minus means we should do on the left side and down. How many steps? 7 steps. So count 7 steps from this 3. Okay, wherever you finished means wherever the arrow mark is there, from there you should count 7 steps. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is stopping at minus 4. Okay, so minus 7 steps whatever is there here, that you should write here, and it is stopping at -4. This answer should be tallied with this one. Okay, this is how you should check. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is your next problem, 15 minus 14. Okay, so first we'll do our rough work. Okay, so 15 minus 14 means here it is minus. Minus means always left side and down. Okay, and we'll solve this problem in the rough part. So left side down, 15 minus 14 is 1. Okay, so we'll see on the number line. This is your number line. So first whatever number is there, from 0 you should go to this number. Okay, so from 0 to 15 it is plus 15. If there is no symbol, it is plus, right? So plus 15 means right side. If it is minus 15, should go to the left side. So 0 to 15 plus 15. Okay, next minus. Minus means left side down. How many steps? 14 steps. 40. If it is 14 here, you should not go to 14th number. You should go 14 steps from this 15, wherever arrow mark end, wherever it is end, from there you should start. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 14 steps is stopping at 1. Okay, so it is minus 14. So whatever it is there here, we should indicate that one here only, right? So it is 1 here and your answer stopped at 1. So whatever we did is correct. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. This is your next problem, 5 minus of minus 8. Here also it is minus of minus. Minus of minus means it is plus. So as it is plus, we should go right side and we should go on the top. Okay, so let us write the rough part, right side top, and we'll solve this in the rough. Minus of minus is plus, so 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, now I'll show you this on the number line. So this is your number line. So whatever first number is there, from 0 to that number we should indicate. So from 0 to 5. So from 0 to 5. Next it is minus of minus. Minus of minus is plus. Plus means right side, right side and top. How many steps? 8 steps. So count from this 5 wherever it stopped. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 it is stopping at 13. So till 13 you should indicate and write minus of minus 8. Okay, so let us see the next problem. Here is your next problem, minus 2 minus of minus 1. Okay, so here it is minus 2, means you should go left side from 0. Okay, so first we'll do the rough part. Here it is minus of minus. Minus of minus means plus. Plus means right side top. So we'll write on in the rough part, right side top, and do this problem in the rough. Minus of minus is plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is, when two different symbols are there, subtract them first. 2 minus 1 is 1 and big number is having minus symbol, so put that symbol to the answer. Okay, minus 1. Okay, now let us see the number line. This is your number line. First number is minus 2. Whether it is plus or minus, you should indicate from 0. Minus 2. So from 0 to minus 2. Minus will indicate down, right? So from 0 to minus 2. Next, minus of minus is plus. Plus means we should go right side. How many steps? 1 step. So from here to here we'll go. Okay, so this is your number line, minus 2. Because minus means down we are indicating. You can indicate on the top also, but it will be clear. Okay, when they are opposite, it will be easy to understand, right? So minus of minus is plus. Plus means right side. How many steps? 1 step. So only I took 1 step. Wherever we stopped, from there only you should start again. Okay, so 1 step. So from here to here 1 step. So minus of minus 1. Okay, clear? So this is of third exercise, first bit, how to subtract on a number line. I hope you understood this video. So if you understood this video, please take down the notes and please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.